The iPhone 13 is finally here. We spent the first hours with both the basic and Pro models and are ready to tell you about our first highlights. Will Apple's cinematic mode revolutionize filming on a smartphone? Maybe not, but the feature definitely works fine. It's super easy to use and works surprisingly well in automatic mode. And if the iPhone doesn't meet your expectations, you can still change the focus manually, even after recording the video. The next highlight is limited to the Pro version, 120 Hz. And believe us, after a few minutes of using iOS with a high refresh rate, you never want to go back. iOS is super smooth, just like, well, Android on many other smartphones in the last 2 years. By the way, here's the iPhone 13 Pro and the iPhone 13 filmed in slow motion right next to each other. Can you see the difference? In addition to better macro photography, HDR recordings and more, Apple's camera app now features photographic styles. With a total of 5 presets, you can now give your pictures more contrast or a warmer feel, for example. Again, here's all features in a quick preview. Last but not least, thank God the notch shrunk by about 20% compared to its predecessor. But it reaches a bit further into the display with its 18:9 display format, so we have slightly mixed feelings about the new notch. The camera bump on the back also gained a bit of weight in the last year. And Apple a day. Are you interested in the new iPhones now? Then you have to spend at least $799 and only receive the smallest model for this price. Gladly, you'll find the latest offers and phone contracts on NextPit.com.